Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Meet app in Windows 10 or 11 Easy Guide. So if you're having a hard time on using Google Meet website and you just want to go ahead and use the app version for it, then you have an easy way to do that. So as you can see, I'm currently onto the website. So you need to do this onto your Chrome browser. So once you're in here, click onto the three dots here onto the upper right, and then you should be able to see this one, cast, save, and share. Now you should be able to see an option to install Google Meet. So just make sure that you're onto the right website, which is meet.google.com. So right after you click onto this, you should go ahead and click on install again to proceed. So just wait for this one to be finished and it will automatically open onto your device an application for Google Meet. So as you can see, you could go ahead and start with your video calls and meetings for everyone already by entering your code or a link here. And that is how easy you could install Google Meet app in Windows 10 or 11 using Google Chrome. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.